In today's video, I'll show you how to change the color of the send button on the contact page in Shopify Dawn theme. And for this example, I changed the color of the button text to yellow and the background color to red. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select online store. Now look for Dawn theme and then select customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, click on drop down menu, then select pages, contact, then on the left side of the screen under template, click on the contact form, and then expand the custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS tool right in here, but at first I'm going to go back to my website and get the class selected for the button. Let me right click on it, then select inspect. Okay, let's take a look. We'll select the class under name button, which is nested inside the contact _button class container. Now let's take a look at the CSS properties. To change the color of the button text, we'll target the following custom property. It's _color button text. And to change the background color, we'll target the custom property, which is _color button. Now let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rules. Type period, contact, _button, space, period, button, open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type $color button text, colon, then go to Google, type color picker in the search. Let me get yellow color. Let's pick this one. Now copy the RGB values, then go back to the editor and paste it right here, and then add the semicolon at the end. Now place the cursor after the semicolon, then press enter. On the next line, type $color button, colon, then once again go to Google. Now let's pick the red color. Let's pick this one, and just before, copy the RGB values, go back to the editor, and then paste them right here, and then add the semicolon at the end. Once you add this rule, click on save, then go back to the website and try refreshing the contact page. And as you can see, the button text color was changed to yellow and the background color to red. And lastly, if you have contact page embedded on the other pages of your site, as in my case on my homepage, right here at the very bottom, to change the color of the send button, we can actually reuse the same CSS rule. Once again, go back to the editor, copy the current rule. At the very top, click on drop down menu, then select homepage. Under template, let's select contact form. Look for the custom CSS section, just simply paste the rule right in here, then save the changes. Now let me go back to my home page. Let's refresh it. Okay, let's take a look. And so you can see the button color was successfully changed. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please scan my channel. Thank you.